Hey there, food lovers. Today I'm going to show you how to whip up a delicious and heartwarming potato and paneer curry right at home. Trust me, this is a game changer for your dinner routine. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 4 medium potatoes peeled and cubed, 200 grams of paneer also cubed, 2 medium onions finely chopped, 2 tomatoes chopped, 2 cloves of garlic minced, a thumb-sized piece of ginger grated, and a green chili chopped. For the spices, we've got 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and salt to taste. Finally, you'll need some fresh coriander leaves for garnish and about 2 tablespoons of oil. Easy, right? Now, let's get cooking. Heat up the oil in a large pan over medium heat. Toss in the cumin seeds and let them sizzle for a few seconds. Next, add the chopped onions and sauté them until they're golden brown. This should take around 5 minutes. Once the onions are beautifully caramelized, throw in the garlic, ginger, and green chilies. Give it a good stir and let the flavors meld together for about a minute. Now add the chopped tomatoes and cook them until they're soft and mushy. This is where the magic starts to happen. Time to add our spices. Sprinkle in the turmeric powder, red chili powder, and a pinch of salt. Stir well to coat everything in that fragrant spice mix. Add the cubed potatoes and mix them thoroughly with the masala. Pour in about a cup of water, cover the pan, and let it simmer for about 15-20 minutes or until the potatoes are tender. While the potatoes are cooking, let's prep the paneer. In a separate pan, heat a bit of oil, and fry the paneer cubes until they're golden brown on all sides. This gives the paneer a lovely texture and adds a bit of richness to the curry. Once the potatoes are cooked, gently stir in the fried paneer cubes. Add the garam masala and let it all simmer together for another 5 minutes. This allows the paneer to soak up all those incredible flavors. And there you have it, a mouth-watering potato and paneer curry that's bursting with flavor. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve hot with some fluffy rice or warm naan bread. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking, everyone!